Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that HBULL token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, HBULL is a Solana token that function as a revenue funded yield layer built around the ANSEM community token. Instead of paying stickers with inflationary emissions, HBULL generates revenue from trading fees on its HBULL SOL liquidity pool on PumpSwap. That revenue is split between liquidity providers and a treasury. That platform open market ANSEM buyback, which are then redistributed as yield. The protocol operates two pools on PumpSwap, HBULL SOL, the primary market and fee engine, and ANSEM HBULL, the yield distribution venue. Trading fees from the HBULL SOL pool are split 20% of liquidity providers and 80% of the treasury, which converts revenue into ANSEM and distributes its weekly to ANSEM HBULL liquidity providers. So earning yield requires holding both tokens. HBULL token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion HBULL token. HBULL token is listed on PumpSwap, KCX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.